Today, my family and me visit our Doler Mela. It's West Bengal. Me eat some Chinese food. It's village made style. It made actual village style. This Mela organized for Dol Utsav and God Sri Panchanana and Ma Shitala and Ma Monasha will blessings all, and that is why Mela is organized. There is some food stall in the Mela named Rajlokhi restaurant. We are eat here and order some egg rolls and chicken pakoras for my family. Friends, I order egg roll and chicken pakoras. It made with huge cabbages and some special masalas are added here. Friends, was that my egg roll is now preparing. The dada cook the made my egg roll. Now friends, all order are ready. Now I want to eating with you. Please see and comment me and blessings me to grow my channel.